Welcome to ExBot Help. This is ExBot developer Isuru Abarathna. On this channel, I share tutorials, tips, and updates to help you use ExBot effectively for personal financial tracking. Let's get started. ExBot2026 is a powerful, secure, and minimalistic financial tracking application built on Microsoft Excel. I developed ExBot to bridge the gap between your actual saving potential and the analytical power of Excel. With ExBot, you can track daily expenses, manage loans and repayments, visualize spending patterns, set and monitor financial goals, all in one structured and easy-to-use system. In this video, I will explain the eligibility criteria you should check before downloading ExBot for your Windows computer. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks of Microsoft Corporation. This product is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or sponsored by Microsoft. To use ExBot, you must have a compatible version of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel 2016 and older versions are not recommended. The supported versions are Office 365, Excel 2019, Excel 2021. For the operating system, Windows 10 or Windows 11 is recommended. This product uses a machine-locked activation system to ensure license security. The activation and licensing process will be explained in detail in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more ExBot tutorials and updates. For support and additional information, check the links in the description. See you in the next video.